Peace, love, and light, Scorpios. I hope the sun is shining wherever you are and you're living in your greatest purpose. Scorpios, thank you for all your likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. We are on the road to 10K. Thank you for your support in getting there. Personal readings are being offered at this time. All information can be found in the community tab as well as the description box. Let's get into your messages. Magician energy. This magician energy is an energy of like you having the willpower to make something happen. I'm hearing make it happen, gotta make it happen. If you believe in you gotta make it happen, make it happen. You making something happen. Six of Wands is it's this energy of you showing up. It's this energy of you showing up, making it happen. Magician, 6 of Wands. Your willpower, your energy, your life force is making it happen. Messages for Scorpios. Oh, death and rebirth. Well, Scorpio just showing up. Just like, here I am, present. And this actually may just be what it is. Like, you're showing up, making it happen. The lucky number 4. I'm seeing a lot of like fire energy, a lot of passion, a lot of just energy showing up. The Lovers, 4, 6, 8, and the Hermit. Okay, so there's something being revived and you revitalize. You're making something happen. Your energy is making something happen. The Lover's card. This may be a connection that you have to some aspect of yourself, your energy. I'm seeing that this is also Gemini season. There's something significant about Gemini season. So your spirit guides are letting you know that there's something significant about Gemini season. Death and rebirth definitely is season. There's something coming. Gemini season. Something definitely significant about Gemini season. 8 of Wands. Something coming towards you. Someone. Or see, 8 of Wands is in reverse. So there may be something like a chapter that's closed for good regarding someone. Perhaps someone in this Hermit energy, Virgo energy. Someone. Okay. Let's see here. So this Moon card with the Death and Rebirth has to do with like things that were hidden that are coming to light, revelations. There may be something about Gemini season and the revelations that you're going to get. Something that was hidden. Let's see if we can find more information about this Death and Rebirth card. Tell me about Death and Rebirth. Okay, I'm hearing that the high priest or priestess is back. high priestess or priest is in charge now. Something about your third eye chakra. And perhaps this has to do with something that you know. Something having to do with a commitment, something perhaps you're committed to, or a commitment or committed relationship that your spirit guides are telling you about. Oh, indeed. There's a high priest and or priestess that's back. I'm seeing that your spiritual life is really going to take center stage around Gemini season. Yeah, there are things that you're learning or that you will learn about. There's also something showing up about a commitment. Perhaps something about a commitment or some kind of relationship, or this may be that someone's learning or they're going to be learning. Someone may be learning that you have someone else. Someone's learning perhaps that this high priestess has found, you know, their counterpart, their possible twin flame soulmate, because the Queen of Wands showed up before this. This is the King of Wands. So it's like someone's gonna learn. They're gonna learn that someone else, see, this is like revelation. This is a decision. They may even blame themselves. Magician energy showing up, and look, Gemini energy showing up again. Death and rebirth. There's something, it's like you're gonna be the boss of something, like someone's going to learn something of you, or you're inspiring others to be a spiritual boss, because that's what you are. It's like this page energy is someone, you know, possibly like an apprentice, someone learning from you. Someone's learning from you, learning of you, learning about you. Tell me about the Lovers. Let me see. Ooh, there's something about a Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords has found her King of Pentacles. There may be someone showing up that's going to provide financial stability. Tell me about the Lovers. See there? That's that twin flame soulmate energy. The Lovers and the Four of Wands. Yep. Someone's learning. Speaking of twin flame soulmate, Someone's gonna get the news. Tell me about this Eight of Wands. Yeah, someone has missed out. Knight of Swords. Someone's dreams are shattered. Someone's... It may be this person here. And perhaps this is what Gemini season is going to... Ooh, the season of the lovers is going to bring... Okay. It's going to bring good news for you. And it's going to bring like energies of like regret, feeling abandoned for some. Yep. Let me see. Things coming to a halt. It's like everybody want to be coming in and saying something. Tell me about the death and rebirth. Yeah, there's, okay, a cycle coming to a completion, something starting. 4. This is the Emperor energy. This represents the Devil card, perhaps Capricorn showing up in your energy. There's a cycle coming to a completion. This may mean that someone's, like, you may have seen the last of this person, is what I'm hearing. This is the World card. It says, be proud, celebrate yourself. You have a well-deserved sense of wholeness. The vibe is fulfillment and harmony. You have a better understanding of who you are than ever before. You're protected, safe. The ancestral medicine, allow yourself to be more vulnerable with the people in your inner circle. If you don't have people you can be open with, consider allowing in more people. So this may actually just be about this new cycle that's showing up, and specifically something significant about Gemini season, about this new cycle, and it's about releasing people. Like, your spirit guides are telling you, like, you're more spiritually sound. Like, your spiritual life is at the forefront now. So it's like that is changing everything about the way you're moving. So your spirit guides are saying it's safe to allow more people in. For some of you, this is what this Hermit card means. See, because this Hermit card is someone that's isolated. Okay, and the fact that it comes with the Eight of Wands, this means that you're no longer in isolation. Okay, you're no longer in isolation or choose to be in isolation. It's like your spirit guides see, and this is coming with like this Ten of Swords, these feelings of betrayal and backstabbing. Like, there's no opportunity for that. Like, you've closed the door on that. You've closed the cycle on people taking advantage of you. So it's like you've cleansed and removed all sources, and possibly like one most important aspect is the mentality of betrayal. So your spirit guides, it's like, are giving you the go ahead. They're opening the door for you to go into this cycle, and it's a brand new cycle that's emphasizing like a new way of being. And your spirit guides are saying like it's safe to allow people into your circle. Like it's now safe. It's now safe to open the door and allow more people into your circle. See, it says, if you don't have people you can be open with, consider allowing in more people. Allow yourself to be more vulnerable with the people in your circle. See, it's an end of a journey. It's like you came from a very long journey. This is why this death and rebirth card is here. You came from a long journey, and you know, this journey that you came from is like the cycle that you just ended. This cycle that you just ended was a long journey. And for many of you, it really means that it was a long one. Because why was it long? Because you survived the most, like, you know, wretched, you know, backstabbing like individuals. These are the energies that you just dealt with right here. The Ten of Swords, like people coming at you, you know, just trying you, trying to end you, trying to block you, remove things. You really came from a long journey because there was a reason why you you put yourself in hermit mode. Like you isolated yourself. A very specific reason why you isolated yourself, because it was not safe for you to come out. It's beginning to be safe for you to open the doors and trust again. Because you've dealt with some stuff like this Nine of Cups. That's all the stuff that you were dealing with in the last cycle. You were missing out. Some of you may even have felt like you were missing out on what was happening in the world. You were missing out on just the external stuff. And it's like a part of you felt that way, and another part was okay with that, because you knew that you needed to do that work that is necessary before you show up and you show out again. And it's like you're beginning to be okay with that. This right here represents an energy of like you being a spiritual boss, being spiritually protected. And I'm seeing that part of the reason, it's like you're being rebirthed into this spiritual boss, right? Like you're no longer isolated. You came into this cycle. You left the previous cycle as one, and you're coming into this new cycle as two. What does that mean? It's a whole different you. And not only that, you're not alone. Like, look at this. Four of Wands. This is like family. This is celebrations. This is a home. And it's not only that. You may have started out as this Hierophant. Now you have people that are represented here that are of like minds. Okay? And I'm seeing for many of you, you're the one leading this whole thing. Like, you know, you are leading your own, you know, you could call it army. Some folks don't like that word. You know, army just basically mean it's like you have people who are following you as a leader. Okay? Who are inspired by you, and just as we speak, inspired action. You are inspiring others to follow you. So this is part of the reason why you're coming into this new cycle. You know, you ended the last cycle as one. You're coming in this new cycle as two. This is what I'm seeing. You ended a cycle as one. And one may actually even be this hermit. Okay, now you're coming in. It's like another you has joined the party. You're more than one person. Okay, let's see, 4. This is the Emperor. I owe no apology for walking in my power. So this is you achieving what you set out to do. You have more security. This is why you're also releasing yourself from hermit mode. So this is part of why you are feeling safe to come into this thing. 21. This is why you're safe and you feel a lot more safe allowing others into your circle. This World card encompasses you being open to the world, like no longer in hermit mode. You're beginning to open up to the world. And possibilities at that. So, congratulations. Messages for Scorpio. Okay. Look at you, Mojaji, manifesting. And coming into an energy of giving and receiving. So, Mojaji, see, 9 representing an end. Getting ready for a beginning. Showers of blessings are yours. You are a rainmaker, master manifester, shapeshifter, alchemist, sorceress. Open your hands and heart. Yes, make it rain. You're manifesting big. This has been a long time coming. You're co-creating with spirit. See, even that word co-creating means now you're allowing others in. Okay? Gemini energy. For some of you, this actually means like you have a twin flame soulmate coming, or that is, it's coming, it's on its way, it's here. Okay. Open your hands and heart. You're co-creating with spirit. Match the energetic frequency, ashe, of your desire. You're magnetic. Like attracts like. There you go. That's the community that you are coming into. You left the previous cycle alone. When you left the last cycle, you were alone, and now you're coming into this cycle as 2. You left as 1, now you're coming as 2. That's what I keep hearing, which means more than 1. So it says, again, like attracts like. Raise your vibration to align with the sacred. Close your eyes, see your blessings, feel them. Ask, believe, act, allow, receive. Divine blessings flow to me easily. And this is, it's like your current mood. Things are flowing to you easily. It's becoming easier to like come back. This is your comeback. Okay? That is the message. If this message resonates, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, love, peace, divine light.